Is Drumo a great platform to take surveys and earn rewards as it claims on its website, or is it just a waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have tested hundreds of paid service sites, and in this Drumo review I will give you an inside look and I will compare it to the other service sites I have tested, and that way you can find out if this really is a platform you want to spend your time on or if you should go for other service sites instead. So I have now logged into Drumo, and it is actually very easy to get an overview here. I in some ways really like how user-friendly it is, but there are also a few things you need to be aware of to get the most out of it if you decide to test it out yourself. So once you have logged in, you will automatically be on the dashboard, the survey dashboard, and you can get a quick overview of the available surveys. And you can also see approximately how long it takes and how much you will get for completing the survey. The surveys you find here will, however, be by third parties, so you will be redirected to another site where you have to complete the survey, and then after that you will be taken back to Drumo and you will get your earnings into your Drumo account here. It is not the platform with the most surveys for sure, and also the rewards are not as high as you can find on some of the highest paying service sites, but it really depends on the service. Some of them pay decently, but just choose wisely. But it is nice that they show clearly the estimated time and also the reward, and then you can easily choose the ones that you find worth your time. However, what I want to make you aware of is, for example, you can see something join Nielsen panel, and it is placed here in the service section, and it's actually not a survey. It is an offer that they get paid to promote. They get paid to get people to join Nielsen panel, and there's nothing wrong with that. Nielsen is actually a great panel and a way where you can earn passively, and one that I also recommend myself. But what I do not like is that they kind of place it here in between the surveys, so you do not necessarily notice that it's not a survey. So you just need to be aware that they place some of these other offers here, but you will not get, for example, $6 just for going there and taking a survey. It's because they want you to go there, sign up, and then do different things there before you get your reward. So just be aware of that. That is not only surveys you can find here. Drumo also has an offer wall here, and many platforms, many service sites, get paid to sites have different offer walls where you can get paid, for example, to play certain games or to download apps, or also sometimes find more surveys here, and all kind of different offers here. However, there's only one offer wall, the one that's called Offer Toro here, and many get paid to sites actually have maybe 10 different offer walls, but Drumo only has one, so you cannot find as many offers here. The offers they have, they do pay decently. It is kind of the same rewards as you would get if you took these offers on other platforms, but they just do not have as many different offers. But if you decide to join Drumo, then it definitely can be worth checking out the offer wall section to see if you can find any offers that are worth it for you. Just always remember to read the exact conditions, because there are always some conditions with offers like this before you will get your reward. In this case, for example, it's not enough to just download the game. I would need to complete up to level 15, so I would need to invest quite a lot of time before I would get my reward. So just be aware of that so you know exactly what to expect. So you of course also need to know how you can then get your earnings out, and Drumo actually has some quite good payout methods in my opinion. You can get paid in gift cards or you can get paid in cash via PayPal, and the payout threshold is quite low. You can see you only need to earn $1 to actually get your earnings out. So there's not much else to say here other than they actually have some good reward methods and a low payout threshold, so you can fairly quickly get your earnings, and you can also quite quickly reach the payout threshold even though they do not have the absolute highest paying offers and paid service here. So overall, Drumo is a legit service site. You can earn here. It has good payout methods and a low payout threshold, but I'm not super impressed by it. It is fairly easy to use, yes, definitely, but you cannot find a huge number of paid service here, and it also does not have a lot of paid offers. And you can find the exact same service and offers that you can find on Drumo on many other platforms. And personally, I prefer using other platforms that overall give better opportunities and also in some cases a little bit higher rewards for taking the same surveys. But there are many great things about Drumo, so it's not a complete waste of time or anything like that for sure. It is just a matter of personal preferences if you prefer taking the service here and the offers here or on other sites, because the exact same service and offers are available on many other sites. So it does not really offer anything special. But if you want to know even more about Drumo, or if you want to see a list of my top recommended survey and get paid to sites, then I have all that information on my website, paidfromservice.com, and I will leave a link to that below this video here. So make sure to check that out. And also, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get most out of paid service sites, get paid to sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.